Assalamualaikum dear students, welcome to NIUS Homeschool. I'm Farhana Yasmin, Assistant Teacher, Morning Shift. Now I'm going to take ICT class for class 6. Our today's topic is Chapter 1, Lesson 7 and 8, Reading Done. This is lecture number 4, there will be no homework today. So dear students, let's look at the book. This is page number 17 in your ICT book. Chapter 1, Lesson 7 and 8, Significance of Information and Communication Technology. So in these lessons, we will discuss significance of information and communication technology. So let's look here. In the previous lesson, we have given many examples of sectors where ICT can be used. Not only this, you have also been reminded that there are many fields where ICT can be used other than the examples we have described. In this lesson, a discussion will be made on the significance of ICT. Those who have studied the previous lessons attentively, they themselves may have realized the significance of ICT. The technology that has so many uses must be significant. ICT has not only many uses, it can completely change the sector where it is used. In fact, we shall lag behind in this present world if we do not perform our functions by the help of ICT. We can make our lives much easier by using ICT. Tasks that earlier used to take a long time to finish were dull and uninteresting, can now be completed in the twinkling of an eye with the help of ICT. The time thus saved can be used in performing the works of joy and pleasure. So the people of this time are very efficient in doing works and they can do many things within a short time. So if we use ICT in a field, it can bring significant changes and it can fasten the work. Look at the picture. Previously, people had to worry about a lot of things, a lot of documents, but now everything has been digitized and it can be easily maintained and accessed through a computer or using other electronic devices. Let's look at the next para. We can not only make our lives easy by using ICT, we can also change the condition of our country. Petroleum, iron mine or gold mine, large mill factories, etc. were once considered as the main resources of the world. So the countries with a lot of these were treated to be rich countries. Now, this idea has completely changed. Now it is thought that knowledge is the best asset of a nation. The country that has educated people, the country where knowledge is practiced, is the most resourceful country. The culture and analysis of information lead to knowledge. So the country that can collect and analyze information by using ICT is a resourceful country. The door of learning ICT is open to all. The sooner we can learn ICT, the sooner we can build digital Bangladesh and make our country resourceful. So this part tells us that not only natural resources are resources, but if we use ICT, we can be resourceful as well. If we endeavor for knowledge, we can be resourceful as well. Okay, dear students, read this lesson at home again, okay, carefully. There will be no homework for today. So this is the end of today's class. See you in next class. Till then, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.